I bought this quick connect coupler for my grease gun from Harbor Freight, thinking it was gonna make it easier for me to lube up the loader, but the tip was too large to fit in there. So what I did, I hit it with the grinder just enough. There was knurling here and up here. I hit it with the grinder all around just enough to knock the knurling off closer to the tip, and now it fits perfectly. There it is. It fits all the grease points on the tractor. It fits perfectly. So if you bought one of these from Harbor Freight and it doesn't fit your the recessed Zerk fittings in your pins, just hit it with a grinder and it'll work.